Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 5.1. In this video we are going to study next point, that is sample space. Sample space is denoted by S capital or omega sign. Sample space is denoted by S or omega. What is sample space? When we do or when we write any random experiment, there we write some possibilities and the set of all possible outcomes is represented by sample space. For example, a coin is tossed. Now we know that what is the result, which are possibilities, which are outcomes, and the set of whatever possibility is there, if we write that in the form of set, that is called sample space. The set of all possible outcomes is known as sample space. Now a coin is tossed. How many possibilities are there? There are two possibilities, head or tail. We know that head, tail. And if we write in curly bracket, it becomes set. And it is denoted by S, means S is equal to. Now this is the representation of sample space. Sample space S is equal to, in curly bracket, compulsory, because this is set form. In last year in 9th standard we studied set. In curly bracket, H, T, head, tail. And number of sample points, NS, number of sample points is denoted by NS. How many elements are there in this experiment? 2. Therefore, NS is equal to 2. Therefore, here first, a random experiment, a coin is tossed. Therefore, S is equal to how many possibilities, head or tail. If you write in curly bracket, it becomes sample space. S is equal to H or tail. And NS means number of sample points. How many elements? Sample points means number of elements. Here are how many number of elements are here? 2. Therefore, NS is equal to 2. If a coin is tossed, a coin means one coin. One more example I take. 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Okay, 2 coins. Now if 2 coins are tossed, then S is equal to, in curly bracket, 2 coins together. See here now, head, tail. One more, head, tail. 2 coins together. First pair will form like this. This is the first pair. Okay, H. Second pair, head, tail, HT. Third pair, TH. And fourth pair, TT. In this way, there are 4 possibilities if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. This is S, means sample space. Then NS means number of sample points. NS is equal to number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, number of sample points, NS is equal to 4 if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. If 3 coins are tossed, then 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. S is equal to, in curly bracket. This is example. S is equal to, now 3 coins together. Now if 3 coins are tossed, 1, 2, 3. First possibility, all 3 coins, upper face of all 3 will be head. H. Okay. Second time, here it will change. Here second time, if we toss second time, then here will be T. H, T. Now how to remember this? We cannot draw a figure on time and we cannot see that. Therefore, how to remember, how to memorize, how to write? First you write all three head. Okay. After that you write last T. Two head, one tail, last tail, third tail. After that this T one by one you bring back. T, last T, here is last tail, no? You bring it back step by step. First you bring this T here now. Here, if you bring T here, H will go here. H, T will come here, middle, and this H will go at last. Okay? Now bring this T at first place. T will come here, H will go here, and this T own place. Okay? After that, as we wrote here H, H, T, now you write T, T, H. First two tail, third head. In this way, H, 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 T is written, no? T, T, H. T, T, H. See here. H, H, T. We brought T back. Now T, T, H. Same way you bring H back. Now H will come here. T, one place. H will come here, middle. T will go back. Now this H will come here, first place. H, T will come here, T, and at last all three tail. All three tail. Therefore, NS is equal to, now count how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. NS is equal to 8. If one coin is tossed, NS2. Two coins are tossed, NS4. Three coins are tossed, NS8. After that, suppose a die is thrown. Fourth, a die is thrown. A die means cube. And on the cube, on each face of the cube, there are respectively 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. A cube or a die has 6 faces. Therefore, there are 6 possibilities. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 possibilities. If a die is thrown, die means cube. And therefore, NS is equal to 6. Sample points. Number of sample points, NS is equal to 6. Now let's start practice set 5.2. First question, for each of the following experiments, write sample space S and number of sample points NS. Now first random experiment is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Now S is equal to, in curly bracket, one coin. Now here I explain. One coin means head or tail, 2 possibilities. And a die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is die, faces of die. If both together, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, then what are possibilities? Then you see here, first H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. This is pair of head with 6 faces. Same way of T. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, bracket close. This is sample space, and therefore NS, number of sample points, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6, 12. Therefore here NS means sample points, number of sample points, NS is equal to 12. Example number 2. 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5. Now here we have to form 2-digit number using 2, 3, 5. Now without repetition means one digit we cannot take two times. Now first start from 2. 23. 22 we cannot write. 22 is also two digit, but here it is said without repetition, that's why 22, 2 we cannot take. 23, then 25, after that 3, 32, 35, 33 is also there, but 33 we cannot take without repeating. Then with 5, 52, 53, 55 is there, but we cannot write over, and therefore NS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of sample points, NS is equal to 6. Example number 2. The arrow is rotated, here arrow is shown, and it stops randomly means one by one on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. Now here S is equal to, in curly bracket, we have to write elements. Okay, now first arrow is at yellow. First it will stop at yellow, after it will come here blue, then it will come at green, then it will come at purple, it will come at red, at last orange. I write here orange, bracket close, and therefore NS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of sample points, NS is equal to 6. Example number 3. Here one page of calendar of the month March 2019 is given, and we want sample space of the days on which date is multiple of 5. The day on which date is multiple of 5, that is our sample space. Yes. Then let's see first on which day multiple of 5 number is coming. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. These are the days on which date is coming multiple of 5, and therefore one by one. Now first start from here. Tuesday, then Sunday, then here Friday, after that Wednesday, after that Monday, and at last Saturday, bracket close. Therefore NS, number of sample points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One day is left. This is Thursday. On Thursday multiple of 5 is not coming. Therefore sample points, number of sample points, NS is equal to 6. Let's see example number 4. Form a road safety committee of two. Okay, 2 members. There should be 2 members. From 2 boys, B1, B2, first boy, second boy, 2 girls, G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Now committee of 2 boys. In that committee there should be only 2 boys. Then 2 boys committee we can write B1, B2. This is the committee of only 2 boys. Committee of 2 girls. In that committee only 2 girls. Then 2 girls we can write here G1, G2. Committee of only 2 girls. Committee of 1 boy, 1 girl. A pair, 1 boy, 1 girl. Then B1, G1. First boy, first girl. B1, G2. First boy, second girl. B2, G1. Second boy, first girl. B2, G2. Committee of 1 boy, 1 girl. Sample space means all possibilities, all these groups will come. B1, B2, G1, G2, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2G1, B2G1 and last B2G2. This is sample space. And NS, if we want NS, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, therefore NS is equal to 6.